Hi, my name is Rifki Sentosa. I'm the Notion creator who created modern Eisenhower matrix Notion template. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this modern Eisenhower matrix and show you how this Notion template can help you to get you less busy in your life. So this Notion template is designed for everyone who wants to start prioritizing all of the things that you want to do, so that you know which one is important and which one is done, so that you can get more focus into the one that's important for your life and your future. So let's jump right into it, and I will show you how to use this Notion template. So what we are seeing right now is the home page of modern Eisenhower matrix. So this is the only page that we are going to use. And yeah, it's showing you a really nice layout and really hopefully intuitive layout. So we have 4 boxes here that is inspired by Eisenhower matrix concept. So the Eisenhower matrix concept is basically a framework for you to prioritize everything that you need to do based on its importance and urgency. So we have 4 gradient here. So in the matrix we have this box is for everything that is important and urgent, and the suggested step for this kind of task, all of the tasks that is important and urgent, is to do it immediately. And you will see all of the tasks that's related to this priority right here, the task 5, task 6, for example. And then the next box is all of the things that is important but not urgent. Sorry. For all of the things that is important but not urgent, then you may want to schedule it for later. And for all of the things that is not important but urgent, that you may want to delegate to other people. Like, let's say if you have a team or you have a colleagues that you can help, you can ask for help, or maybe you can hire a freelancer if you are doing a project that is really economic, have really good economic value. Then yeah, you may want to delegate it and you don't want to do it for yourself. And for the last box is for everything that is not important and not urgent, then you don't bother. You just delete right away so that you don't have to focus on everything that's inside this box, which should not be valuable for you. It's not important for you and it's not urgent to do. Why you are doing it? And then yeah, you see there's a table in the middle which will store everything that is new, all of the new tasks that you just come up with that is not yet prioritized. So let's say for example you want to add a new task, you can click in this new page, or you can click this blue button. It will show you a nice pop-up where you can add a new title, let's say a new task, a really simple one. And yeah, it will show you as well some information that you can add manually and some notes about the task itself, but we can just ignore it for now. We will see that the newly created task is now here. And if you want to start prioritizing your new task, then you can just simply click this 6 button in next to the task item here. You click and hold it and you drag it to whatever priority that you want to set this new task. Let's say this new task is important but not urgent. You can just simply put it there, and it's now prioritized based on your preference. And you can also really creatively manage all of the existing tasks. For example, moving forward, you know that actually some of the tasks are updated, and you see that actually this task is really important and urgent. But this one is, well, it's not important anymore because the project requirement is changed, for example. Then yeah, it's not important anymore. And 2 of these projects are not important and not urgent anymore. You can put it there, and but this one, I think this one becomes important but not urgent. We put it there, and then yeah, I can confidently say uh, I can confidently say that this one and this one, it's not needed anymore in my workflow, in my to-do list. I can just simply delete. And yeah, I can also say, for example, task 13 is done. Click. You can click to the box task done. By checking it, it will remove it from the Eisenhower matrix layout here. And one other thing I want to also introduce is aside from the task inbox that we just used to create a new task, you can go into task completed to show you all of the completed task. So like for example, we just did a check into the task 13 just now. It's now shown here. And yeah, let's go back a little bit to the task inbox. You can also add a task deadline. For example, for the task one, let's say it needs to finish by this Friday, and yeah, you can manage everything else as well. This one is this one is next month, for example, and this one it's still a long way to go. This one, and when you can also edit the existing task in the box by clicking the edit button here. It's going to show you this, and you can click, like say for example task 12, the deadline is tomorrow, it's really important and urgent, it will show here. And you can also open the task itself and you can set it right here. So task deadline, this one, let's say next weekend, it will also shown here. And yeah, this is basically how you can use modern Eisenhower matrix Notion template. Hopefully this video shows you how this Notion template is, whether it's a suitable and fitting Notion template solution for you. And hopefully this video has been useful. You can find this video in this guidance and also in my YouTube channel. And hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching.